A few days ago, this started. Whenever we would run water anywhere in the house, this would happen. So I did the same thing that you did and looked on YouTube. So I've learned that this type of noise issue is most often caused by this, which is your pressure control valve. So I'm going to turn on the kitchen faucet and leave it running so it'll be making that sound while I try to adjust the pressure control valve. And then we'll learn together if that works or not. Okay, well, I hope you can hear it. So first I have to loosen. I'm going to try to do this without blocking your view. First I have to loosen this lock nut right here and then turn this bolt to make the pressure adjustment. Let's loosen the lock nut. Just try a minor adjustment on the bolt. Hang on. Let me stop you right there for just 1 second. Be aware that when you're adjusting this valve, you're changing the water pressure for your entire house. And if you set it too high, it can cause some problems. So if a minor adjustment doesn't work for you, you should probably just call a professional. Okay, carry on. Well, it's making a difference, but it's not going away. Just wait for a minute. Okay, this is the master shut-off valve for the house. I'm going to turn it off. And then turn it back on and see if that changes anything. Hey! The water upstairs is still running. I don't know how much I adjusted this, but not very far. So right now, that seems to have alleviated the issue. Tighten the lock nut back down. And there you go. So it worked. But remember, not until I shut the master valve off and let the pressure bleed out of the line, and then when I opened that valve back up, it was silent. So if you found some value in this video, be sure and hit the like button so YouTube will recommend it to other viewers. And if you appreciate this type of content, you might consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your plumbing issues.